check with a parent or guardian if it is okay. Welcome. This is young Spike, and he's here to see the animal agents and get help with a blood sample.
Hi there.
My friends, the animal agents, and I are going to show him some ways to feel good about it. You can watch and learn too. Let me show you around. These buttons will take you to meet each animal agent. When you've met all the animal agents, you can press this button to help Spike. This button opens your goodie bag. There you can see all the items you've collected. Wow, there's an energy point. If you click on it, it will save it to your goodie bag. If you collect energy points from the animal agents, you can use them in the final game. Just click on a button to play.